Hello guys, hello to everyone. In today's video I will show you how to activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $400. For this we need, first step, download application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Next step, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that you need to click registration. Next, in one click, and this menu you need to choose your current country is United States and current value to US dollar. You need to choose your favorite sport or something else. What do you like? I would choose sport. Next, and into the current promo code is ZANOS 24. Next, confirm this. I will also clarify that any promotional code gives a deposit bonus only once, guys. Remember this and be careful. After loading, we will see the login and password. Write it down and automatically get into the menu. In order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye to all and good luck.